This is called a wedding ring. This is a real object that exists in this universe. It is a ceremonial metallic circle. A wedding ring begins its existence as a dense cloud of hydrogen which collapses into a big hot ball, also known as a star. The ball eventually explodes and spits out much heavier atoms like gold and platinum. These atoms find their way to a second gas cloud which coagulates into a small lump called a planet. Now, this is a relatively common occurrence in this universe, but wedding rings are a much rarer phenomenon. For them to exist, the planet needs to develop a very specific form of life that meets 4 criteria. 1. The life form must be able to extract and process the metals. 2. The life form must highly value the metals. 3. The life form must have fingers. And 4. The life form must undergo a process called a wedding. Okay, weddings are a type of formalized bonding ritual between 2 specimens. Wedding rings are attached to the digits of the subjects, who are then expected to cohabitate, roughly until death. If such a relationship fails or is otherwise dissolved, a wedding ring may be removed and discarded, perhaps resold at a severely discounted price, or smelted to reacquire its precious metals. And that is called a wedding ring. That is a real object that exists in this universe. You know, when my folks got divorced, my mom threw her wedding ring out the window of a moving car. True story, it's probably still out there.